Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rapunzel's gold long hair on Dress to Impress. Yes, unfortunately, you do need VIP for this. So I'm just going to go into the salon and I'm going to select this hair. I'm just going to color it this like orange. It looks gold to me, but you're just going to pick that hairstyle and you're going to go into VIP. Then you're going to select this cape, select the only cape light air, and you're going to color it the same as your hair like this, and that's pretty much it. You can like color the bird so it looks like Pascal. Let me just find it first. Here, do the shoulder one and color it green for Pascal. And that's pretty much how you can create Rapunzel's long hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!